feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Cleaning Sherpa material without ruining it involves gentle care. Start by shaking off any loose dirt. Hand wash or use a washing machine on a gentle cycle with cold water, using a mild detergent. Avoid bleach and fabric softeners, as they can damage the fibers. When drying, opt for air drying flat away from direct heat or sunlight. If you must use a dryer, select a low-heat, gentle cycle. For best results, fluff the Sherpa afterward gently by hand to restore its original texture. Always check and follow the care label instructions for your specific item.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.